got another package from Lazada, and I know what it is. So, buksan na natin. I don't even know where to start. Sip na sip eh. Wala makakatamper. Lid off. Pangurap. At yung mismong item. Also, in bubble. Kailangan nila kasing i-wrap to na maigi kasi babasagin ito. Buti ito eh. Yeah, it's quite understandable. Ayan. Mapulot na natin. Right there, guys. So, tatry namin kasi itong apple cider vinegar ng Kirkland. Kirkland is by basically Kirkland is from Costco. Pero ang isa sa mga distributors nila dito ay S&R. So binili ko ito through S&R's Lazada account. Alright? With the mother. Nakalagay with yan, including the mother. Ano natin? Hindi nga lang kasing dami ng sa brand, pero I don't know if you can see the mother here. Yeah, check natin. Ayun o. Sana makita nyo. Sana nakita nyo. Kasi ba naman guys, ang mahal na ng brand sa mga major groceries. Okay? Kahit sale pa, it's still a shade under. It's still within the 500 peso range yung ganito kalaki. Alright? So, I had to look for cheaper alternatives. Pero, kailangan may mother. Kasi, kapag may mother yung apple cider vinegar, puro yun. Garantisadong pure apple cider vinegar yun. Yeah. Alright? Now, delivery and promptness. Ano ko ba in-order to? Last Sunday lang, 2 days ago. Eto, nasa kamay ko na. Very prompt. And up to now, Lazada is still my go-to merchant app. Kasi once you order it, ang bibilis ng mga seller na i-deliver yung mga items sila. Within mostly within 1 or 2 days, nasa yun na yun. So, ano ang final verdict natin for Kirkland apple cider vinegar? I-update ko kayo sa lasa nito kasi gagamitin ko sa sisig to eh. So, in the meantime, 2 thumbs up! Of course, if you wanna try this item, link in the pinned comment.